Hello folks, Jose with Boats and Travel. Welcome aboard True North. True North is a 1995 Island Packet 40. This boat has been meticulously maintained. This is what I would call a Bristol boat. You're gonna love it, super clean. I never seen anything like it. And if for some reason you missed Treasure because you found it a little too late on our channel, this is your chance to get your hands on True North. Check out the description below for information on how to contact me. So with that, let's take a look at this fantastic boat. can see that this boat has been very well cared for, very well maintained. The owners went through a lot of work to make sure that everything is accessible, clean, properly labeled, and you can find what you need when you need it. If you enjoyed this video and would like additional information on the capabilities of the Island Packet 40, please check out the video on the link here above. If you are interested in purchasing this boat, please check out the description below for my contact information. I'll be happy to help you. By the way, if you're looking to purchase a boat and maybe Island Packet is not the size you're looking for, just 40, I have videos of other boats of different sizes and different models, different capabilities that will suit anybody's needs. So subscribe to our channel, check out the playlist listed here, and that should help you find your perfect boat. And with that, folks, thank you so much for watching. We really enjoy sharing this information with you, sharing this beautiful boats with you, and we'll see you in the next episode.